Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
Let us now proceed to this one. Okay. Number 36. Okay. 36 is, it refers to a person who is highly skilled in converting a message from clear to unintelligible form by use of codes and cipher. Okay, I already discussed this one. Okay, converting message from clear to unintelligible form. Okay, sa isang message na pwede mo maintindihan at gagawin niya ito sa message na hindi mo maintindihan. Okay, kapag kahit na makuha mo itong message nito, ano kaya itong ibig sabihin nito? Sino ang gumagawa nun? No, para ma-secure against unauthorized o tinatawag nating interception. Okay? The answer is cryptographer. Okay? Cryptographer. Okay. So, number 37. Okay. So, ang 37 natin guys, medyo na-discuss ko na. Okay? So, I want you to remember it is blank usually for the purpose of waiting for the anticipated arrival of the suspect who is either wanted for investigation, who is expected to commit a crime at a certain location. Okay? So hindi siya rough shadowing. Kasi rough shadowing, I already told you, the subject may be aware that he or she is being followed. Okay? So not shadowing kasi you are waiting for the anticipated arrival. The answer for this one is stakeout. Okay, stakeout. Next, number 38. So, in the intelligence function, the blacklist, okay, includes blank forces. No? Okay, hindi friendly forces. Kasi kung friendly forces yan, makakatulong sa'yo. Walang danger kahit makasalamuha mo sila o ma-encounter mo sila. Friendly forces yan, hindi ka nila gagalawin. When you say about unfriendly forces, yan na. No? Kapag na-expose ka sa kanila, no, there is a possibility that they will attack you. Pero pag sinabi mong blacklist o blacklisted ka na, okay, ibig sabihin you are unwanted. Hindi ka na gusto. Okay? So, I want you to remember, the answer is alpha. Alpha. Okay? Number 38 is alpha. Number 39. They are responsible, okay, for foreign intelligence of United Kingdom is referred as Box 850 because of its old post, okay, office box number. Okay? Kasi guys, ang Box 850 is a postal code. No, dito pinapadala parang ito ay address sa postal, para doon diyan na pinapadala yung mga sulat. Para ma-cover kung ano talaga ang nature nitong agency na to. Okay? Ang sagot hindi siya MI5 or security service, hindi siya 'yon. Hindi rin defense intelligence staff. Okay? Hindi rin government communication headquarters. No? Ang sagot, Secret Intelligence Service or MI6. Okay? So, yan yung tinatawag nating SIS na in charge sa mga foreign, okay, intelligence, sa abroad. Okay? So, counterpart yan ng CIA ng Amerika. Yung SIS natin, SIS is rank 3rd ngayon. Naungasan niya yung CIA na rank 4th sa top 10 most effective intelligence agency in the world. Ang security service o MI5 ito ay responsible for information gathering or intelligence doon sa local internal threats, okay, about criminalities and other threats sa loob ng bansa. But when you say about outside country, okay, sa abroad, SIS. no? MI6. Okay. So, I want you to remember, no, that the former head of the Box 850 is the MI8, okay? Is Herbert Yardley. Herbert Yardley. Yardley. Yes. So let us now proceed to number 40. Okay. If the information or documents procured openly without regard as to the whether the suspect of the investigation becomes knowledgeable of the purposes in which it is being regarded. So I want you to analyze the question. Are procured openly. So the word is with regard as to whether the subject of the investigation becomes knowledgeable for the or the purpose of which the answer is okay, overt operation. Overt. No, yung analyst one of the steps 'yan. Okay? Sa under ng processing. Okay, under ng processing. Okay, so doon sa stage ng interpretation. So the answer is overt operation. 99% okay, na nakukuha ang information ay galing sa open source. Let us now proceed to number 41. Investigation of records and files of agency in the area of residence and the residence of the individual being targeted. Okay? So, I want you to analyze the question. Kasi pagdating sa board exam, your best weapon, no, to answer it correctly is to improve your analyzation skills. Okay? Investigation of records and files of the agency in the area and residence. So, it's about the area and residence. Okay? Una, hindi pwede siyang maging national acquired clearances kasi hindi naman to about clearances eh. Okay? It's about investigation. So hindi rin siya pwedeng maging locally acquired clearance, no? Because gaya na sabi ko, it's about investigation. It's not about clearances or meron ba siyang based on the clearances or document na may record or mga tinatawag nating no, mga marks na pangit or may kaso siya, okay, involving moral turpitude, okay, meron siyang derogatory record, okay. So it's about investigation of records, no? Okay, doon sa pag-examine nung pag sinabi mo nga, okay, residence in the area, that is only partial. Background, hindi siya complete. Kasi doon lang doon sa area at residence ang investigation. That is not a complete, no? That is partial background investigation. Partial background investigation. So I want you to remember that, okay? So let us now proceed to number 42. Okay? The type of intelligence that is immediate in nature, okay, immediate in nature, and necessary for more effective police planning. Guys, no, hindi siya, okay, say about police intelligence, this is a general term about information about criminals, organized crime, okay? So, it's about law enforcement. But, hindi yan yung sagot, okay? Hindi rin strategic, okay? Kasi immediate in nature. Okay, immediate in nature. When you say about departmental intelligence, it is the intelligence gathered by the government department to accomplish their own mission. Okay, their own organizational mission, di ba? Katulad sa PNP. Di ba? Kasi ang PNP kasi mission broad Okay, broad, di ba? To enforce the law, to prevent and control crimes, to maintain peace and order, to ensure public safety and internal security with the active support of the community. Medyo broad Okay? So, lahat ng may kinalaman doon, okay, na to accomplish that mission, okay, departmental intelligence 'yon. Okay, medyo ibahin natin. Kunyari, PDEA, Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, which is the primary arm of the government to enforce the Republic Act 9165. Okay. So, nakakuha lang intelligence about illegal aliens. Hindi ko sabi yung illegal aliens, mga foreigner na nag-i-stay dito pero walang dokumento. So, for example, nakakuha sila ng intelligence doon. Yun lang walang drugs na involved. Okay? About the illegal stay of the foreigner. Okay? Hindi nila sakop yan. Hindi ito makakatulong doon sa kanilang mission dahil yan ay mission ng Bureau of Immigration. Okay? So, pag sinabi mong departmental intelligence, ito ay yung ginagamit na intel para maabot yung accomplishment. Ngayon, ano yung mas mataas na uri dyan? Okay? So, national intelligence. Okay? I want you to write it. Baka mamaya wala sa mga doon sa mga tanong. National intelligence, it is an integrated product given by all government agencies. Okay? Which is used for national security. Okay. So, ang nagkakandak or nagkumukuha ng iba't ibang intelligence from all government agencies, ang NICA, at pinagsasama-sama niya na ito, na makakatulong ito to improve our national security, improve our country politically and economically. Okay? So, national intelligence yan. Okay? So, let us now proceed to number 43. Okay? It claimed that 99%, I already discussed, of information obtained from the conspicuous sources and 1% of information is obtained from a clandestine sources. Clandestine means, okay guys, it means, the clandestine, it means covert. Okay, dali lang so covert operation, that is covert. Okay. Number 44. Okay. Refers to the observation of person movements is generally refers to us, kapag sinusundan mo siya, yung kanyang paggalaw, kunya yung lakad niya, okay? So you are observing, So the answer is take note, tailing or shadowing, because you are your observations, okay, of person movements, okay, kasama na yung pag-alis, paglakad, kung saan man siya pupunta o kung saan man siya aalis man siya or sa kanyang mga destination. The answer is tailing or shadowing. Okay, so I want to remember that. Number 45, guys, is I already answered this. Okay, I already answered this one. So, the classification of top secret, okay, have the color of the answer is green. Okay. So, sa ating country, via memorandum number 78, okay, which was issued by the Office of the President about classified documents. Okay, kaso matagal na yun, 1964 pa. Okay, so, ulitin ko, green is for top secret, red is for secret, and blue for confidential, and walang kulay or white for restricted. But in the US, meron na, orange na ang kanilang top secret. Okay, let us now proceed to this one, number 46. The kind of intelligence which is long range in nature. Okay, long range in nature. So, the answer in this one kanina, immediate in nature, that is tactical intelligence. Immediate in nature. Remember, that when you say about the tactical intelligence or line intelligence, perishable. Dapat pag nakuha mo yung intelligence, you immediately use it. Sa line intelligence or tactical intelligence, you can immediately use it. immediately gamitin mo na agad ito. For example, kakuha ka ng tactical intelligence about the number of enemies. Sir, 20 lang ang kalaban. Kung bukas mo paggagamitin itong tactical na to, hindi na to tama, no? Baka iba na ang number ng kalaban kinabukasan. So, the tactical intelligence is perishable. Madaling mawala. One of the na advantage and strategic. Long range in nature is strategic intelligence. Sir, ano naman ang operational intelligence? Okay, kasi 'di ba? Meron tayong 3 levels of military intelligence. Okay, 'di ba? Meron tayong types of intelligence: national, departmental, okay, and military. Okay, military is intelligence involving military plans, programs, and policies. Ngayon, may 3 level yan. Yung una, strategic. Yung pangalawa, operational. At yung pangatlo, yung tactical intelligence. Okay, last topic bago tayo mag-break, okay? Ang operational intelligence, it is focused on identifying the enemy's center of gravity. Okay? Kung ano yung kahinaan ng kalaban. Na kapag inalis mo to, like for example, ito pa yung main camp ng enemy. Kapag ito ay nilusob mo, na-infiltrate mo at na-destroy mo, babagsak yung buong organization. Unlike sa strategic na ang focus niya yung mga terrorists outside the country, mga external threats tulad ng ISIS, National Intelligence yan. Okay? The strategic intelligence yan. O yung mga threat na ibang bansa sa atin, pagdating sa operational intelligence, dito yan sa atin, mga internal threats natin yan. Okay? Identifying the enemy center of gravity. Okay guys, so itutuloy natin yung ating lecture, okay, mamaya. Okay, so number 40 na tayo, 46 ang sagot doon is strategic, then 47 after the break. So lahat tayo, okay, before 1:30 kailangan lahat tayo naka-online. Okay. So thank you guys.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!